Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be doing a very simple and very easy look, and this is what it looks like in the aftermath. It is very simple, very easy. I definitely recommend it for anyone barely starting off in makeup. Perfect for simple or just going out at night. I'm going to be using the Endless Possibility palette. I love this palette. We're going to use a light pink, this blue, and then a highlight color. And then the Stilla for the inner corners. You're going to grab a fluffy brush. This is by BH Cosmetics for smoky eye. And we're going to apply the lightest pink from the Endless Possibilities palette. You can use any pink. So you're going to place right on your lid. You're going to tap, 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 and then start blending upwards. And you're going to blend a little bit higher each time. You can add as much pigment as you want, but I want this to be subtle, and this is going to be the undertone that goes under, actually the color that goes underneath the blue eyeshadow. So pull up a little bit higher each time and go a little bit over your crease bone, but not too high, close to the brow, but not exactly. So place all over the lid, blend back and forth, and a circular motion just close enough to the crease bone. And I'm going to do a zoom up so you can see what I'm doing. And it looks really light, but don't worry about it. You're going to apply a blue eyeshadow to it, and this is the transition color, is what you call it, so it can look really seamless. So you just want a seamless look. You're going to use this as your base. Apply a little bit more. You can do it as dark as you want, but this is it's not an extreme look. And then we're going to grab the blue, and you're going to tap that color on and start blending it out in the lid just a bit. Sometimes the brush doesn't pick up color, but you could keep on applying more because your fingers pick up more shimmer than your actual brush. Your brushes make the color go away, which is weird. But right now you just kind of want to blend it out, so don't worry about having too much pigment at the moment. So we're going to blend that right towards the crease bone just a bit, a little bit over, and you're going to keep going a little bit higher, little by little. You don't want to completely cover that pink that we had earlier. You just want to cover a majority of it. And we're going to go back in the palette and use our finger to smear or smudge more of that blue pigment from the Endless Possibilities palette. And you're going to place it on your lid and just blend it out just a bit. And we're going to grab the little bit of the residue left in our finger and just smudge a little bit more and blend it more. And each time we do this, we're going to keep going a little bit by the brow bone. Do it again. You want a good color payout. And then we're going to start blending it out. Remember to stay by the crease bone area. Don't go too high. We still want the other color to show underneath. And just blend a little bit more, back and forth motion, and apply a little bit more blue. A little bit of a repetitive little thing right here, but it's going to look nice, I promise. Just put it on with your finger, just like so, and blend it out just a little bit more. I'm going to go back and grab a little bit more. Yes, I know, it's a little bit, putting on a little bit too much. But we want to build the color up in layers. And you're going to go back and blend it just a tiny bit this time with your brush, not too much. And pull a little bit higher this time. Make sure the other one is even, and then go back in that one. Sorry, I was dancing right here. You're going to grab a flat-headed brush and use the same blue right underneath your waterline. So you're going to apply that right underneath your waterline, just like so. You can do tap, 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 and then just slowly start like smudging it and just pulling it forward and then back. Apply a little bit more pigment if you need it. And then just blend it out just a bit. And we're going to put on lashes, which I just did. And we're going to do the inner corners very quick. This is Dollish by Stilla. A very pretty liquid eyeshadow. And you're going to apply that to the inner corners, just like so. So once you apply it to the inner corners, all you're going to need is the highlight color, which is the white eyeshadow, the pearl one that I showed earlier. And you're going to grab a flat-headed brush and you're going to apply just underneath your brow, so the brow bone. You can make it as shiny as you want in just a bit, and you're pretty much done. Once you apply your lashes, you're done with this look. It is perfect. It's perfect for going out and not being too extreme and you want to be kind of subtle, or you know, you're just starting off makeup. It's very easy and very quickly. So thank you for watching the video, everyone. I really hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for future videos. If you try this look or want to try it, make sure to comment down below, or any suggestions for any future videos. Feel free to check out my Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.